Good evening, everybody. I would request everyone to be seated for our inauguration for this NeuroPedicon 2021. With the permission of, I think, so organizing chairperson, I'm starting the inauguration for today. I'm Dr. Sudeep Shah, the organizing secretary for NeuroPedicon 2021. I would invite Academy of Pediatric Neurology chairperson and also the scientific chairperson for this NeuroPedicon 2021, Dr. Shefali Gulati, to come to the dais. Kalpana ma'am, please escort her to the dais, ma'am. Next, I would invite our Academy of Pediatric Neurology Secretary, Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, to come to the dais.
না এটা কিছু বলতে চাইলে তখন এটাকে তো আনমিউট করে দিন
আর যদি কিছু বলার না থাকে তো
Next, I would invite our WBAP President, Dr. Subrata Chakraborty, to come to the dais. Kalpana ma'am to escort her. Our Secretary of WBAP, Dr. Madhumita Nandi, is not here. She could not attend the program. She will be tomorrow. They will be there. Next, I would invite Dr. Atanu Bhadro, Vice President, East Zone, Indian Academy of Pediatrics for 2021, to come to the dais. Next, I would invite Dr. Anup Verma, Advisor and National Coordinator for Academy of Pediatric Neurology, to come to the dais. And last but not the least, co-scientific chairperson, Dr. Supratim Dotto. Dr. Supratim Dotto. Okay. So, we missed last year's NeuroPedicon 2020. We were the host for the last year's program, and unfortunately, Dr. Supratim Dotto, please come to the dais, sir. Our co-scientific chairperson for NeuroPedicon 2021. Last year, we could not hold as the host. This year also, we were planning to do virtual, and then we were told to do it on a hybrid mode. And I also did not expect attendance and a good program this could happen. But fortunately, there was a good attendance for the program. Even we had attendance for the workshop, both physical and virtual. So coming to the inauguration part, I would request Dr. Kalpana Datto to give a bouquet, token of bouquet to Shefali Gulati ma'am. I would request Dr. Kalpana Datto to also to felicitate Sanjeev Joshi sir. I would request Atanu Bhadro sir to felicitate, give a flower or bouquet to Dr. Subrata Chakraborty, President WBA. Request Stephanie ma'am to give a bouquet to Anup sir. I will request Sanjeev sir to give a bouquet to Subratim sir. Request Subrata Chakraborty sir to give a bouquet to Atanu sir. Unfortunately, our guest of honor and chief guest could not grace the occasion due to their physical problems and meetings. We just called them. They said it's not possible for them to come, so we are missing them. So we will be continuing with the rest of the program without them. So we don't have chief guest and guest of honor for today. I would request we also have with us virtually Veena Kalra ma'am, and Pratibha Singhi ma'am, and Dr. Jayanti Chakraborty madam. They are for a special occasion for this NeuroPedicon 2021 felicitation from Academy of Pediatric Neurology. I would request Shefali Gulati ma'am to say a few words on this occasion, being the chairperson of Academy of Pediatric Neurology.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Dr. Subrata Chakraborty, President, West Bengal Academy of Pediatrics, Dr. Atanu Bhadra, Vice President, East IFA, Dr. Kalpana Datta, Organizing Chairperson, Neuropedicon 2021, Chairperson, Society of Pediatric Neurology, Bengal, Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, Secretary, IFA Neurology Chapter, Dr. Sudeep Saha, Organizing Secretary, Neuropedicon, and Secretary, Society of Pediatric Neurology, Bengal, Dr. Anup Verma, Dr. Supratim Datta, Dr. Pratibha Singhi, Dr. Veena Kalra, Dr. Vasant Kharlikar, Dr. Sarbhai, Dr. Nayata Hegde, Dr. Lokesh Lingappa, esteemed faculty and dear friends in the hall as well as online. As we look forward to building a new normal after COVID-19 pandemic, which has created havoc globally and still continues to be a challenge. We have had an amazing academic feast over the last 2 days, which will continue till tomorrow, for which I would like to thank the whole Kolkata team led by Dr. Kalpana Datta and Dr. Sudeep Saha. And it was actually a lot of changes happening till the last moment, and we all worked as a team, and we've had many faculty, including the 8 from overseas. Pediatric neurology in India is still in its infancy. Pediatric neurology in India is still in its infancy and has been advancing rapidly over the last few years. Academy of Pediatric Neurology, IAP, has come a long way since its inception in the early 1990s by Dr. Nirmala Kesari, with expanding membership of a current 558 members across India. It includes 4 dynamic state chapters in namely West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, and has played a vital role in development of pediatric neurology in India. I take much pride in being the part of the team along with Professor Kalra. Under her mentorship, we started the first DM pediatric neurology program in South Asia in 2004, and we have had 42 alumni and 25 national international trainees from across the globe, including USA, UK, Kenya, Sweden, and neighboring SAARC countries. Currently, DM pediatric neurology program is being run in 6 institutes as of today. The fellowship program of Academy of Pediatric Neurology, IOP, was started way back in 2008 in SAT, Tiruvananthapuram, Rainbow Hospital, Hyderabad, and Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. 46 fellows have been trained so far. In addition, fellowship programs in other centers like Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi, CMC Vellore, IGICH Bangalore, Hinduja, Wadia, Jaslok, Mumbai, and Kahar University, Belgaum, and Mahe Manipal, which last 2 have just got started last year, have trained as many as 94 fellows thus far. This year, Doctorate of National Board in Pediatric Neurology has also been approved. All these trained professionals, along with many, many seniors who have had years of focused specialized work in pediatric neurology, have been disseminating child neurology not only in India, but also in the SAARC region. This annual conference has a very apt theme: Intact Neurosurvival, Better Tomorrow. We have had 5 topical free conference workshops yesterday on keto diet, which is commemorating the 100 years of keto diet therapies in the world, neurodevelopment, neurometabolic, EEG, and neuroradiology, which were all very well attended in a hybrid mode. The scientific program, which is exhaustive with recent updates, has eminent faculty from all over India, United Kingdom, Bangladesh, Canada, Sri Lanka. In addition, there were award papers, platform and poster presentations, and an exciting quiz. It was really challenging to organize this conference in a hybrid mode. My vision for Association of Pediatric Neurology, IAP, is to ensure that the updates in practice of pediatric neurology should be disseminated pan-India to all the pediatricians. We should promote the highest quality patient-centered care for children with neurological disorders and neurodisability and support the professional development of its members. I remain deeply committed to the development of clinical academic medicine and child neurology in India. The association would focus on the trinity of clinical care, academics, and research. It will also promote advocacy, evidence-based medicine for both families and professionals, provide members with platforms for improving networking, communication, and mentoring opportunities to help advance their own career goals. This conference will help in achieving this goal and in addition promote professional collaborations and social networking, which everybody was vying for ever since the pandemic started last year. We have to lead and guide how we adapt and respond to the evolving changes in the post-COVID era, with guiding the teleconsultation to continue, and obviously hybrid will continue. We have to develop and maintain an efficient world-class training system to foster the future generation of child neurologists in India, facilitate capacity building of research institutions for education, research, and international cooperation, and develop networks for the same. We have initiated a network of professionals interested in dietary therapies in child neurology yesterday, and another network of those interested in SMA today. We also plan to start another network of autism spectrum disorders. Incidentally, I am INSAR, International Society of Autism Research Global Senior Leader for India from this year, January onwards. So we want to plan to create a network of autism spectrum disorder related professionals on all fields, which will include we'll go through the Academy of Pediatric Neurology, we'll use AOC and ICNA and all of them. We will have our network and we can put it on the INSAR website eventually. I have been successful in forging a number of collaborations with prestigious universities and associations, universities like Gosh, UCL, and we've also been doing with Queensland and University of Manchester's Reading University, Birkbeck University, Stanford, and Wisconsin and Philadelphia. So we want to use all these collaborations to all the members of Association of Pediatric Neurology. I'm extremely grateful for your support and giving me the opportunity to take this legacy developed by my mentor forward. I request you all that we should be giving all precautions. Stay safe. God bless. Thank you. Jai Hind. And I apologize for not being there physically since yesterday because of some medical challenges at home. I did come for this inauguration and will be there for the executive board meeting and will have to return in the night. But tomorrow again, I'll be all along will be in the virtual mode, including with my plenary. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I would next invite our organizing chairperson, Dr. Kalpana Datta, to say a few words.
Dear friends, good evening all. It's a great privilege and honor to be chairperson of the organizing committee Neuropedicon 2020, first time in the city of Joy, Kolkata. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on this 20th Neuropedicon 2021 on behalf of Bengal Society of Pediatric Neurology. It's my honor to have with us, actually we don't have our director and DHS sir and Dr. Kiri Banerjee. I should mention his name. He is very much instrumental to form this chapter of neurology in Bengal. And with us have a national coordinator for Academy of Pediatric Neurology, Dr. Anup Barwa sir, coming all the way during this COVID time. Thank you, sir, for coming. We have with us a very dynamic, energetic academician, our very own president of Academy of Pediatric Neurology, Professor Shefali Gulati, who took active part from the beginning to keep the shape of this conference today. I'm lucky to have with us our president-elect of Academy of Pediatric Neurology, Dr. Vasant Khalitkar, though he is not in the desk. Okay, we have with us the president of West Bengal Academy of Pediatrics, Professor Subrata Chakraborty, East Zone Vice President, Dr. Atanu Bhadra, and the scientific chairperson, Dr. Supratim Datta with us, and I welcome you all and the heartfelt gratitude to you. It's really a challenging for the host to organize the conference in this trying time of amidst pandemic. We took up the challenge and decided to hold the conference in hybrid mode. We believe this mode of this conference is an apt way to bring together the delegates across the country. It has been a Herculean task to find the sponsors, arranging eminent speakers, and last but not the least, arranging venue adhering the COVID norm given by the government. An array of learned experts, national and international repute, have been invited to deliberate on the topic of interest to both the practicing physicians and postgraduate trainees. Hybrid platform has been a blessing in disguise. At least enabled this conference to become a truly international conference. Other than diagnostic and therapeutic advances, various neurological disorders prevalent in children, this conference will emphasize also on the genetic aspects too. The executive committee members have played a very active role under the dynamic leadership of our secretary, Dr. Sudeep Shah, in bringing this conference to fruition. I am very fortunate to have them on my team 2021. The organizing team comprises of committed members who work day and night to see this day. The topic has been meticulously chosen, and we hope that this conference will give a platform for the faculties, residents, and practicing pediatricians to share, learn, and utilize their academic feast in their day-to-day practice. I'm sure that delegates will have a sumptuous dish and this academic extravaganza at the end of the day. Your active participation, cooperation, and healthy criticism will further enrich the pediatric neurology fraternity of India. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I will next invite Sanjeev Joshi sir to give the secretary's report for Academy of Pediatric Neurology.
dignitaries on the dais, esteemed faculties, delegates who are attending here physically and virtually as well, the entire organizing team of 20th Neuropedicon. It's my privilege to welcome you all on behalf of Academy of Pediatric Neurology, the chairperson, Dr. Shefali Gulati, myself, secretary, the entire team of AOP Neurology 2021. On this auspicious occasion of Neuropedicon, I welcome you all to the City of the Joy. Before penning down my thoughts of or the token of thanks to the organizing duo of Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep Saha, I must mention a famous quotation from none other than the son of the soil himself, Swami Vivekananda. Take one idea, think about it, dream about it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscle, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. And I'm sure with this quotation only imbibed on the minds of Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep, they weathered every rock. It was difficult to reorganize the thing because it was cancelled 1 year before because of the pandemic situation. So my salute to the team of Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep. As you all know, friends, the Academy of Pediatric Neurology is a subspecialty chapter of IAP, one of the most vibrant, academically active and disciplined chapters over the period of almost 2 decades now. How can we forget the immense contribution of our past office bearer, the country's renowned pediatric neurologist, Dr. Lokesh Lingappa, and our versatile all-rounder, Dr. Vasant. कोई भी लीग में खेल सकता है, IPL हो या soccer league हो. They have put a great show in form of a series of neuro webinars in spite of the pandemic situation which was prevailing, and they have used the virtual platform to their best of the abilities by arranging a long series of webinars, almost 152 speakers, 60 chairpersons, more than 1 lakh community viewership. So, and both of you, Dr. Lokesh and Dr. Vasant, you have taken the chapter to another height. Thanks a lot for those efforts. And each and every webinar was directed towards the need of practicing pediatrician in our country. It is one of the fastest growing chapter. Almost the membership is more than 560, and we target around 650 before our Pedicon, Noida Pedicon. We are branching also in form of new Bengal chapter, the recently added Karnataka and Odisha chapter. The team AOP Neurology is led by none other than our dynamic chairperson. She is a mentor of mentors, Dr. Shefali Gulati. Dr. Lokesh happens to be the IPP, Dr. Kiran, and our strongman, Dr. Anup Verma. Sir, our executive board comprises of country's eminent pediatric neurologists and a pediatrician as well, Dr. Anup Kumar, Dr. Vineet, Praveen Kumar, Dr. Ashok Datta, Dr. Sampath Kumar, and Dr. Minias. And we are blessed to have the advisories in form of the pioneers of pediatric neurology in this country, none other than Dr. Veena Kalra ma'am, Dr. Pratibha Singhi ma'am. Both of them are with us virtually here. Also, Dr. Jayakumar sir from Madurai, and Dr. Rajesh Hudani, Dr. Pam Kunju sir, and our past presidents, Dr. Sarabhai, KMP Suresh, and Dr. Arun Agrawal. The website of the chapter is one of its unique kind in the entire IAP. It gives all the information updated to every pediatrician, along with a lot of parental education material. Dr. Anup Verma sir has established this and he's looking after it. So, and these are the important links. Friends, Rome was not built in a day. So the glory of whatever glory of Academy of Pediatric Neurology is there is because of all the hard work of the past residents. As you know, there was prevailing second wave. So we took the reins in the month of June and we started with a bang in form of epilepsy module, online epilepsy module. We started on the 30th June, total number of 8 modules, and we concluded on the 1st August with a national quiz on pediatric neurology under the leadership of our chairperson, Dr. Shefali Gulati, in association with IIP Dehradun and IIP Aligarh. Each and every module was comprehensive. It was directed towards the need of practicing pediatrician, in-depth analysis of the subject, and a very good interaction at the end of the session. So thanks coordinators from Dehradun and Aligarh, and also we had a patronage of Madam Veena Kalra, Pratibha Singhi Madam, and Dr. Anup Verma sir. Almost the community viewership was almost in the around 20,000. And these were the winners of the quiz, national quiz in the different category. The academic activity continued in the month of June also in form of PG teaching. And as usual, every year our friend Dr. Anand Keshwan organizes this Trishur Neuropedicon, which was held in the month of July. Recently on the 3rd October, we had a national CME in collaboration with the Maharashtra IAP at Yavatmal. So the main speakers were Dr. Shefali, Dr. Verma, and Dr. Amarjit Wagh. Our important academic tool of the chapter, our quarterly journal, the official bulletin of the chapter is Indian Journal of Pediatric Neurology. This is with the purpose of serving the pediatric neurology specialty in our country, extending it pan-India, and most of the articles they are pertaining to the interest of to interesting case report. There are recent guidelines are published. The practice parameters in dealing with the routine pediatric neurology disorders are there, and this is a very good platform to exchange various aspects of child neurology. From last year only, we have expanded the editorial board, which was originally of the trio of Vinith, Vasant, and Amarjit. Now we have zonal editorial boards also come from the different zone, like the North Zone, Jiten, Praveen, Dr. Sunil Dutt, West Zone, Dr. Nitish, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Shilpa Kulkarni, then South Zone, Dr. Lokesh, Central Zone, Dr. Lokesh, Dr. Gauri, Dr. Kanak, East Zone, Dr. Arjit sir, Kalpana ma'am, and Sasmita Devi. From South Zone, Dr. Pam sir, Dr. Vishwanathan. Chapter has got very important contribution in the publication of important books pertaining to the pediatric neurology. Dr. Anup Verma's, under the chief editorship of Dr. Anup Verma, we published the second IAP textbook of pediatric neurology in the last year's Indore conference. And the other textbooks pertaining to pediatric neurology are also contributed by the chapter members. And we also have a mobile application for healthcare professional, which is developed by the pediatric AIMS department, pediatric neurology department of the AIMS. Our members are regularly doing health education program on the different facets of the media. This was a short film of about epilepsy. Then this is the one of the app which is developed by the pediatric neurology department under the leadership of Dr. Shefali for the patient empowerment. and the education regarding epilepsy. Then the chapter also do a lot of community oriented activities. The celebration of the Epilepsy Day. We also we are allotted a 90 minutes symposium, neuro symposium at the yearly conference. Then we also arrange national CMEs across the country. Now, this is one of the important activity of the chapter in form of, we have a postdoctoral fellowship in neurology, which is being conducted at 3 centers right now. Dr. Pam Kunju is the national course coordinator of the fellowship program. He chairs the 3-member committee of Dr. Kunju himself, Dr. Verma, Dr. Sarabhai. Regional coordinators are Dr. Kavita and Dr. Lokesh. We have 6 seats of fellowship, 2 each at KIMS Trivandrum, Bharati Vidyapit Pune, and Rainbow Children Hyderabad. Total tenure is 2 years. Intake is in April and exit exam in March. This fellowship will go a long way in uplifting the academics in the IIP and generating more interest towards neurology and upcoming pediatrician. More than 40 students have been honored with the postdoctoral fellowship. The guidelines about the epilepsy and movement disorders are being made by the chapter and are periodically revised, and with the marathon efforts of Dr. Shefali, Dr. Kunju, and Dr. Anuparma. Now, our members, they have been timely awarded with the prestigious award. This is one of the most prestigious award which was bestowed upon on our chairperson, Dr. Shefali Gulati, last year only. Then recently she had the honor of Fellow of Royal College of Pediatric and Child Health from UK. Also, Dr. Kavita Srivastava has also received the same. Dr. Jay Kumar. Then this another award for Modi Award for Dr. Shefali. Dr. Lokesh invitee at the presidential talk on BPNA. And these are Neuropedicon is a forum where you meet the doyens of pediatric neurology. And so this is a very interactive forum for interaction of the stars of the pediatric neurology with the practicing pediatrician. Friend, just last 2 slides. This is the original work by none other than Pablo Picasso from the Malaga Museum. A painter cannot paint a picture unless he has that image in mind or in front of his eyes. Similarly, in life, we cannot reach our goal unless we have it in our dreams and in our deeds. So our aims and objective as already elaborated by our chairperson. I will just enumerate. To start new chapter at state level all over country. We have also added neuroinfection and neurogenetic modules with the help of several experts in the field across the country. And soon TOT of these 2 modules will be running all over the country. We target the recognition of pediatric neurology as a separate specialty by MCI. And this was our meeting last month at Raipur for the final write-up of neuroinfection. We drove almost 300 kilometers to Raipur to give it a final touch. Other faculties were online. So this chapter is having immense contribution for the promotion of the aims and objective of the IAP at the state level, at the national level. And I wish the organizers once again a huge success. I express my sincere thanks to my chairperson, Dr. Shefali Gulati, for her valuable advice. I am extremely thankful to all past presidents for their timely guidance. Special token of thanks to Dr. Anup Verma, our national coordinator, for his constant support. I conclude by saying we are made wise not by the recollection of our past, but by the responsibilities of our future. Thank you, friends. So don't forget to taste the famous Rasgulla of City of Joy. Thank you all. Now I invite Dr. Shefali ma'am to do the honor of recognizing the work in the field of pediatric neurology in this country on behalf of chapter.
just one more 2-3 points which were just missed out in our future things where we are also updating this website of Association of Pediatric Neurology with materials for the e-learning modules and all for parents as Dr. Sanjeev had shown. And we are also planning to, why I'm mentioning it because we need support from Dr. Veena Kalra and Dr. Pratibha Singhi. For that, we are planning, we have already discussed with Dr. Anup Verma, Dr. Vasant, Dr. Sanjeev Joshi, we already had a discussion. We'll be going ahead with the evidence-based guidelines for common pediatric neurological problems, which will be updated periodically. For this, a core group will be created shortly after we have a discussion in our EB. And obviously, Professor Kalra and Professor Singhi's blessings are required, and we would ultimately want that ultimately, ma'am, it can be used for our countries also, because that will be for empowerment of the pediatricians. We're trying to go in the base of the pyramid. We want to go, and we need your blessing for that. And we will be coming with a series of webinars for the practical issues. And also, we'll be developing position statements on challenging, debatable issues and transitional care, counseling, palliative, end-of-life care, and humanistic perspectives. We have never addressed these. They have to be addressed. Now, Dr. Saha, we want to recognize all the work done for so many years, by our stalwarts and our mentors. So, would like to request Dr. Saha to felicitate our mentors. I just put one more thing.
We have 4 felicitations for today. I would request first Professor Veena Kalra. She is the senior consultant, pediatric neurology, Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, and director, Child Center, New Delhi. She was formerly the professor and head pediatrics, AIMS, New Delhi. She is the recipient of prestigious award from 3 honorable presidents of India in 1969, 91, and 2008 for contribution to medical profession. She has received the Honorable B.B. Giri Award, Honorable Jani Jail Singh Award, and Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award. She has established the pediatric neurology DM at AIMS, New Delhi. She is recipient of 31 medals and awards. She is bestowed with the Swasth Bharat Samman by ZTV and LIC. She has more than 60 research projects in child neurology and published 230 research papers, contribution to books on pediatrics and child neurology, and authored practical pediatric neurology.
Ma'am has taught me, and we've known her since 1988, first of all. Person. So this will be the plaque which will be given to you. This is for untiring and selfless services to the Academy of Pediatric Neurology chapter of IAP. Thank you so much, and we need your blessings and support. And coming on the screen, but can you? Is there because ma'am said. You can please unmute yourself, then you speak, then it will come on the screen, I suppose. Can you please ensure Dr. Veena Kalra is not coming on screen, and then after this, Dr. Pratibha Singhi. Dr. Pratibha Singhi.
We will be sending this to Veena Kalra ma'am by courier. So he is taking the award on behalf of Veena Kalra ma'am. On next, we will be feliciting Professor Pratibha Singhi. He is also one of the stalwarts in neurology, pediatric neurology. She is presently the director of pediatric neurology and neurodevelopment Medanta, Gurgaon. He was former head and chief pediatric neurology and neurodevelopment at Department of Pediatrics, PGI Chandigarh. He is the consultant rehabilitation center for disabled children Chandigarh, consultant pediatric neurology at Great Ormond Hospital, London, from 2004 to 2005 and 2008. And she is presently the Secretary General International Child Neurology Association. She has been hold the post President-elect. She has been the national delegate for Asia Oceania Association of Child Neurology. She was the former national president of Association of Child Neurology. She has over 480 papers, 4 books, and published in WHO, ICSSR, ICMR guidelines and all the UK, EU industries, over 450 national and international journals. She is the fellow of IAP and NMS, several gold medals including President of India medal, first S. Janaki Memorial Oration by the NAPS, Asian Research Award Infantile Seizure Society, and also the James Flett Gold Medal of the IIP, and she is the Medical Scientist Award by Shubir Singh Trust.
You are a role model, although directly you have not taught me, but you have been a role model and we idolize you and need your blessings and support for the, pediatric neurology to be spread far and wide with the Association of Pediatric Neurology to help in strengthening the base of the pyramid as well as the apex of the pyramid. And you have done India proud by taking it global, and the global recognition of Indian pediatric neurology and also women power, I may say, if there is no objection from mostly gentlemen on the dais, but I think with the women power and going global, we really idolize you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. First of all, congratulations for organizing this very successful meeting in these very difficult times. I'm really thankful to the organizers, including Shefali, of course, for having this thought of felicitation, and I'm really humbled by all this. I do think that yes, it's time for India to come on the international forum, and I'm glad that I have been able to take it there, and I'm very fortunate that I have the friendship and support of both the younger generation and the not so younger generation. And I would just like to say that the younger generation is blessed to have so many things already for them, and we've sort of lived through a time of struggle, and of course there are still struggles and many more obstacles to be overcome, but with the team effort and with proper motivation, I think we can go a long way and establish pediatric neurology in the international scene, and I'm sure that the youngsters will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ma'am, please say a few words, ma'am. Veena, ma'am.
Hello, yeah. I think it's my proud privilege to see all of you flower and blossom and create such wonderful opportunities for the youngsters. Hold the baton, pass it on, and spread the message all over. I think you all have done very great work, and we are really proud that whatever we envisaged, whatever we envisioned, is something that you have brought to light by all the youngsters put together and are amplifying whatever we wanted to initiate and do for the country and for the neurologically challenged children of our country. It's really a proud privilege, and I feel very humbled that discipline that we created in our own lifetime is seeing so much progress within these 15, 20 years. It's all because of efforts of youngsters and the flame, that the Olympic flame that has burnt and that has gone on through the generation. So I wish all of you great success, and I wish the future younger generations carry it up further to enhance the level of practice, knowledge, attitudes, practices for the country, for the who are both unfortunately afflicted by neurological illnesses. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you for future. Thank you. Okay.
Also, Dr. Sanjeev Joshi to join us for felicitation of our two local people. It's a next. Dr. Tridip Banerjee, he is the Chief Patron of Neuropedicon 2021 and also the advisor for our SPNB. he was instrumental in with Anup Verma sir and Dr. Sarabhai sir to increase the number of people as pediatric neurology members, and also to increase the interest in many of our students. I think so many have become DM neurology after sir started this Society of Pediatric Neurology. We have seen Dr. Joshadara doing DM neurology. We have Abhibhuti doing DM neurology and Pradeep Pariya doing DM neurology. Two from PGI Chandigarh and one from Calcutta. And I think so many more will be doing DM neurology. So we want to felicitate Dr. Philip Banerjee. He could not attend due to some personal reasons. And also, I think so Kalpana Madam can take behalf of Dr. Philip Banerjee. Next, Dr. Jayanti Chakravarti. She is online with us. She is also one of the leading neurologists, pediatric neurologists in West Bengal. She was one of the pioneers who did DM neurology in pediatrics. She was the professor and head of pediatric department Agartala, Government of West Bengal, Government Medical College, Tripura. So we want to felicitate Dr. Jayanti Chakravarti and Kalpana Madam is visiting on her behalf. Jayanti ma'am, please say a few words for us.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm greatly honored by this, but I would like to say that at the time I started getting interested in pediatric neurology, it was a very uphill task. Now I hope it is easier for the juniors, and they get a lot of support from each other, and I hope it progresses very well. But the credit for my achievement goes to my teacher, Dr. Shishir Ghosh, Director of Institute of Child Health, and also to Professor N.N. Sharengi of Bangur Institute of Neurology. And of course, equally to my family, my husband. So I wish you all a very good evening and also a great conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, it will reach your home, ma'am, this felicitation. Next, I would call upon Dr. Lokesh Lingappa.
Bondo
Sir, to
kore
come
di na.
to the dais. Lokesh Lingappa, sir, because we have 6 fellows who could not be felicitated from 2019 and 20. So, sir is going to call them up one by one.
In 2020, we had the exams which were held in April, and external examiners were Professor Kunju and Dr. Kalpana. It was virtually conducted because of the situation, and there are 2 candidates from Rainbow Children's Hospital, Dr. Bandi Ramya. Currently, she is working as a consultant in Paramita Children's Hospital. Now I call upon Dr. Prashanti, who is currently working as fellow in epilepsy at Sandip with Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital. Yeah, sorry. And of the 3 other people, only Dr. Kirti Kundana is here. I'll just announce the other names after giving the certificate to Dr. Kirti Kundana. She completed her fellowship this year, and Dr. Shipali Gulati was one of the examiners along with Professor. 25%. So other three people who completed the exams this time, they're not here. So they are Dr. Beena Kumari from Pune Institute, Dr. Rutiraj Sahib Deshmukh from Pune, and Dr. Romit Jain from Rainbow. I'll give the we'll send the certificates. Thank you.
So now it's a time to recognize the great efforts put in by the organizing team of Neuropedicon 2021. I request Shefali ma'am to do the honors, and also Anup Verma sir. I call upon Dr. Kalpana Datta, the organizing chairperson. Give her a big hand. What a huge success of this conference. Madam, this is a Dr. Sara bhai, वो नहीं आ सकता, वो बैंड है वो. Dr. Sara bhai, Dr. Makija, come, secretary, treasurer है यार, तू पैसे नहीं देगा तो. So heartiest congratulations, ma'am, Kalpana ma'am. Also call the better half of Kalpana. Sir, please join her, because you also equally share this. And now the powerhouse, the power pack person behind the backbone of the organizing committee, none other than our own Dr. Sudeep Dada. Give him a big hand. And we also wants to appreciate the part played by the Academy of Pediatrics West Bengal, whosoever may be the office bearer. Sir is there. Oh, sir himself is there. Sorry. Sir, thanks a lot for all the help and all the patronage given by the Academy of Pediatric West Bengal. Thank you, sir.
Now I would request for the lamp lighting, which is one of the important things of this inauguration. So I would call everyone from the dais for the lamp lighting. And I think so we can call Lokesh sir, Sarabhai sir. I would request everyone to be seated. Next is it's
मुझे पता लगा जब आपका नाम बोला मैंने बोला तो
next is our launch of the e-souvenir. I would request Shefali ma'am and Sanjeev sir and Kalpana ma'am, everyone to join for this e-souvenir. Ma'am, everyone, please. Everyone will be getting the e-souvenir by tomorrow on mail, because it's unfortunate we could not have the app. It was refused yesterday. So this is our e-souvenir launch. No, sir. This is this Neuropedicon 2021 journey. Thank you, everyone. I would request our WBAP president to say a few words, Dr. Subroto Chakraborty.
Good evening, colleagues, respected seniors and my teachers, those who are present physically and also in the digital platform. As President of the West Bengal Academy of Pediatrics, it is a great moment for us. It is a pride privilege that we are holding this national pedicon, especially in a situation of the pandemic. So I again thank the organizers, and also I thank the dignitaries of the dais and also the faculty and also whoever is present there for attending this conference and making it a great success. And just enough has been talked about pediatric neurology. It is going to be a great thing, and it will be a stimulating thing for the West Bengal pediatricians. What I was thinking when it was announced during the pandemic, so I was just thinking that there is a need for this conference, and it came to my mind that it is very important because as doctors, we need to be more of thinkers than the doers. Maybe that we equally, it's more, definitely we need to be thinkers. Just an example that during the pandemic as a pediatrician, I came to see a lot of children, especially the teenagers, who are actually becoming sort of digitally addict. I say digitally addict because I asked them that how much time you are spending in your this digital platform, and answer is average 7 to 8 hours for the teenagers. And as we know, the Psychiatric Society of India has defined that the digital addiction fulfills all the criteria of digital addiction. And we will overcome the pandemic, but we will end up with lot of children with psychological problems and also the digital addiction. That can be a huge problem. So we need to think at every step, and that is the importance of the conference, that it stimulates us to think. We should meet not only digitally, we should meet physically also, because in that way there is more stimulus, and that thinking process is very, very important. I will not say click to sort of more detail. We are running short of time. I express my again sincere thanks to everybody who is involved in organizing the conference, and also I wish a great success for the conference. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would request Anup sir to say a few words on this occasion.
Very dynamic and very active national chairperson of the academy, Professor Shefali, and we have just seen since she started working, and her vision is really very impactful for the development of the pediatric neurology in India. Organizing chairperson, Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep, National Secretary General of the Academy, Dr. Sanjeev, West Bengal State President, Dr. Chakravarti, Dr. Datta, and Dr. Atanu, my dear friend, is National Vice President from East Zone. All the past chairpersons, but I am seeing here. I just remember of 2015 when infectious disease meeting was on in Calcutta. Dr. Jed called me, Dr. Jitdev Banerjee wants to talk to you for the starting of the West Bengal chapter of the academy. Then we sat and discussed how to start and all. Then Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep organized a CME in the medical college. And to our surprise, the membership at the first time was more than 75 at that time. And then gradually Dr. Jitdev Banerjee assured me that we will give you ample of members. And he was right. And we are seeing since then Dr. Kalpana and Dr. Sudeep working for the pediatric neurology to the extent I am really happy to see the seed which was sown at that time is now fully grown, a huge tree. So all the best to Pediatric Neurology Academy of West Bengal and all the delegates here, and wish the national chapter and the Professor Shefali and Sanjeev to do their best, and lot many activities awaits. Thank you so much.
Next, I would request our Vice President East Zone, Dr. Atanu Batra, to say a few words.
Welcome to Kolkata. I carry greetings from Central IAP. Today, early morning, Professor Piyush Gupta, our national president, has called me up and he sent his message of congratulations to the team for organizing the 20th National Conference of Academy of Pediatrics Neurology Chapter. And Academy of Pediatrics Neurology, we used to look up to the neurology chapter as an academically very strong chapter. But since the last year, keeping the academically strong, maintaining the academic platform, both Professor Lokesh Lingappa sir and Vasant had brought that, had made the neurology chapter popular among general pediatricians. The work has been ably continued by Professor Shefali Madam and my dear friend Sanjeev, and they have really made this chapter both academically strong and popular among general pediatricians. So I wish all of you, all the delegates and all the deliberations that will be making, you have made today and tomorrow also, a great success, and hope all these deliberations will be useful for the general pediatricians. I congratulate the organizing team for making the first physical conference in Calcutta after 2020 March, that was Vaxicon. After that, this is the first physical conference, and I congratulate Kalpana Madam and Sudeep for doing it. I know it's a very uphill task. It was a very hard work. And I thank all the delegates who could make it from all over India for attending this conference. And again, congratulations to all of you from Academy of Pediatrics Central IIT. Thank you.
I would request Subhadeep sir to say a few words. Sir, come please.
Okay, as a customary, I have to say some few words. The only thing I will say, all the best wishes to all the learned persons taking pain from coming from different corners of India, particularly in this COVID time. So I thank them all, and my best wishes for this chapter particularly, and I hope that in coming days, the chapter will flourish more and more. So thanks.
So now I have to say the vote of thanks. I would thank first the Academy of Pediatric Neurology for making us the host. मैम आज बहुत important है मैम, especially Academy of Pediatric Neurology. I thank Dr. Sarabhai sir, Anup sir, Vasant sir, and Lokesh sir for giving us the host to become for Neuropedicon 2020, but we could not do it, and it's becoming Neuropedicon 2021. But thankful to Academy of Pediatric Neurology. I am thankful to WBAP for being associated with us. I thank all my organizing team, especially my chairperson, also our scientific chairperson, Professor Subhadeep Dutta and Shefali ma'am, for making this huge number of participants as faculties. And for workshop and the scientific program, we had a lot number of speakers. All over India has participated. We have registrations even from Kashmir and all over India. So that was really great. I thank all the delegates, all the faculties who have traveled and who are virtual for being present for this 3 days program. I also thank our supporters, mainly our principal, sponsor, Briar Bliss, I would thank our gold partners, that is Nutri Gold, Sun Pharma, Neuro, IPCA Laboratories. I would thank our bronze partners, that is Apex Laboratories, Torrent Pharma, Pavia Pharmaceuticals, Sun Pharma Care, Dr. Lalpath Labs, Altius, LifeCell, Intus Pharmaceuticals, Nutri Neuron Pediatrics, Parkin Elmer, Metropolis, Linux, and we have our workshop partner Sanofi. We have a session partner Roche and Isai. Our travel partner was Curisho. I would like to thank Hyatt for giving us this wonderful venue and food. I would thank Droida for organizing this wonderful conference, especially their backdrops. You can see it's very lovely. The e-souvenir is very lovely. I would like to thank Cubics for very good audiovisual. I was really worried how the physical and virtual will be more coordinated, and it's really wonderful that there was not a single glitch till now. Whatever the minor ones, it's always there. I would like to thank our Care Tours and Travels. They are the makers of all this setup. Oryx, our travel partner, and Trade Wings. I think so. Trade Wings are the sponsor makers of these things. I would also thank Bangalore Institute of Neurology for giving the venue, Institute of Child Health also for the neurodevelopmental venue, Institute of INK, Institute of Neuroscience for giving the venue for Keto Diet, Chittaranjan Sevasadan Hospital for metabolic panel workshop, and Medical College Kolkata for giving us for neuroradiology. I hope I have not missed. I thank all my delegates, especially the postgraduate students and postdoctoral students who have attended us for the poster session. And tomorrow we have the award paper and the free paper. I thank them for coming. Many have traveled a long distance during this COVID time. I hope I have not missed anyone. And also I thank our cultural program people who will be participating just a little later. I thank them for giving us a warm welcome for this cultural program. I thank everybody in the dais. Thank you, everyone. Just a little announcement. We will be having the annual general body meeting just after this, so please don't leave the hall. Thank you. Just a minute. We will have the national anthem being played. So everyone, please stand up.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please don't leave the hall for the annual general meeting. And after that, we have the cultural program and the banquet dinner. Please do attend.